Hello and welcome to Network Solutions Pro. Getting set up in Network Solutions Pro is so simple. Follow me on screen. All you have to do is to click step 1 and watch the video. Next, unlock your free lead system and Minerva business. Go there right now. Click this button and on the next page you'll be able to join the free lead system under your sponsor and then put in your free lead system username and click save. Then you go down to Minerva. Join Minerva under your sponsor. You need to install the app first. Then after joining Minerva, you can put in your Minerva user ID number and click save. Learn a little bit about more about Minerva and here, and you'll be able to download the PDF here and start promoting your Minerva business here. Then you can add in your full URLs to all your links to your chosen businesses, business 1, 2 and 3. You can then enter the full URL to your recommended traffic service, then click save. Well done, you are now completely set up with Network Solutions Pro. Go back to the dashboard and check out all the other stuff, but you can now start promoting your business. Congratulations.